I have recently posted videos showing on-host integration and Flex examples on Linux, and decided to post a couple of examples on Windows too. As always, for the most updated and accurate information, please refer to the documentation. This is an on-host integration example for MongoDB monitoring. I followed the instructions to create the user and the privileges, and now I have to install the Mongo on-host integration on Windows. We downloaded the installer, and now we have to run the command. The next step is to copy and rename the sample YAML file and give the details for the Mongo database. You can also test the integration from the command line. From the New Relic Integrations bin directory, run the NRI MongoDB executable to see the syntax, and then you can run the command with the same settings you had in the file to verify that it's working properly. We can now switch to the New Relic UI. Under Infrastructure, click on Third-Party Services, and click on the Mongo database dashboard to see the information about your Mongo database. Let's switch to a Flex example. In the GitHub, under Examples, choose the Windows examples. In this case, we'll choose the Windows ping example. Note that the example has 3 files, and the JSON and the PowerShell need to be in the Flex assets directory. We'll switch to the JSON file and add the sites we want to ping. We can test the Flex integration from the command line. Go to the New Relic Integrations directory and run the Flex executable to see the syntax. We'll test the integration file with config path and add -pretty to get the result in JSON format. We can switch to the Data Explorer, search for the win ping, select the metric to plot, and select the grouping. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.